Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Cat Talk Create and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with our last week of Stack It Up collab, and oh my gosh, everybody's creations have been amazing. Oh my gosh, if you guys have not gone over, I do truly recommend that you guys go over and check everybody else's creations. You will not be disappointed, trust me. Anyways, the Stack It Up collab is hosted by Coffee, Cake, and Crafting on Facebook, and it is the main hostess of these are Tiffany and McGill, Crafting Like a Boss. I got it right, Tiffany. And Brittanee from BBz Kraftz here on YouTube. So anyways, this week was a stacked suitcase. So I kind of made this last minute. So I kind of made it kitty form, so this will be going out to one of my nieces, so hopefully she likes it. And let me go ahead and show you. Before I show you guys, I do want to let you guys know that at my giveaway I will be announcing the winner Saturday. Yes, Saturday. And good luck to you guys, and just remember there is a secret word on some of these videos, so look out for those secret words. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you on board. And let me go ahead and go on. Sorry you guys. So this is the top of my stacked suitcases, and that's what you're gonna see when you see it. But when you flip to the side, this is what you're gonna see. And this right here is the handle. I made it a little too big, but it still looks okay. And this is what it looks like. Sorry you guys. So this is more of a kitty form stacked suitcases. I'm sorry if I said envelopes before. It's suitcases. There you go. And you open it right here, right here, and right here. So I haven't put anything in here. I will probably put some chocolates, some stickers, some crayons. I don't know, just depends what I think of. What would you suggest? That will be my secret question. What do you suggest I put in these stacked suitcases? And it will be for how old is she? 10-year-old. So there you go. So anyways, thank you for joining us on this collaboration. Hopefully you guys go over and check everybody else out. And again, thank you, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.